Hey guys, Matt again here with a long-awaited episode of On the Job. I'm here in Mission Viejo, California at the offices of MarkeTeam, and we're going to be installing some window film, specifically security window film with an attachment system. These guys have been gotten broken into, I think 2 or 3 times. Came to us, do some window film, so let's go inside and check it out and see what they're doing. We got Sam over here. Sam's famous. You might have seen Sam in some of the other videos. A film cutter to cut the film, and especially with this particular film, it's a very thick film. This particular film is a solar security film. Not only does it act as a security film, it also has solar properties. So it has tint in the film. So it'll block heat, it'll block UV, it'll give privacy. This is a really popular film that we do sell and use as security. If you're going to put security film on anyway, why not add a solar component to it? It's not that much more money. And you can see here, we've tinted this window here, and actually we've removed the stopper here. Typically there's like a rubber stopper and that goes around the glass. We've actually removed that, put the film on. We're going to put our own silicone bead, which is going to go about a 1/2 inch on the frame and about a 1/2 inch on the glass. It's going to go all around the whole glass. It's going to secure this piece of glass with the film on it to the frame. And what that's going to do is when the glass breaks and people are trying to push it in, it's going to actually stabilize it and hold it.
We're already done just this lobby area, the lower 2 sections, and now we're doing the rest of the first floor in the office areas, and then yeah, there's some removal on these as well.
What's up, Anthony? How you doing? What's up, man? How you doing, man? What's up, man? This door is probably going to be a prime area where they break in. Super easy, you know, low window, easy access, crack, come right in. So we'll be removing this, putting our new film on. Now I would jump in and help these guys, but you know, my install, I'm so fast and so accurate and so clean on my install. I don't want to embarrass these guys, so I'll stick this one out. I'll let them kind of do it. We're doing some removal on some of these windows, so like when we do removal, you can see they'll remove the existing film. Typically the adhesive will stay on the glass, and then they'll have these big scrapers to scrape the glue off, and they'll clean the window and then put the new film on. So take the film off, the film comes off in all one piece, and the adhesive stays, and you scrape off the adhesive. Sometimes, if the film is really old, you'll peel the film and it'll like stick on the glass, and then you gotta scrape and scrape and scrape and scrape. I don't know, how was this an easy removal or no?
No, it was hard.
It was hard?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So typically if the film doesn't come off in one piece, it'll just rip, and then you gotta scrape and scrape and scrape the film and the glue, and it's a little bit harder to install. So he's gonna take a 6-inch scraper, which is a scraper knife, the blade, 6 inches, and he's gonna just scrape all that glue. He uses soap and water to make the scraper slide, and then he'll just kind of collect all that glue, which is the old glue from the old window film. You've really got to do a good job on the removal before you put new film on. I mean, you have, even without existing film, you have to clean the glass really thoroughly, but when there's was film on it before, you really have to do a real diligent job of cleaning the window, because any little glue particle you know, will kind of affect the way the new film looks. So. Hey, we want to thank the MarkeTeam team for letting us come here and film. Security film job. Had a fun, good episode of On the Job. I want to thank our sponsor, Sal's Pizzeria, the best and most authentic Sicilian and New York style pizzeria near you, with 3 locations in Mission Viejo, Tustin, and Foothill Ranch. Get your slice now. What do you guys think?
Great.
That's great.